Let's take a look at this example. We have another example where we're supposed to apply the formula for the derivative of a sum. So simply write dy over dx is equal derivative of 2x to the fourth power plus 3x to the fifth over dx. Okay, you can rewrite this as derivative of 2x to the fourth over dx plus derivative of 3x to the fifth power over dx. Next, I'm going to use this formula, okay? So I have 2 times 4x 4 minus 1 plus 3 times 5x 5 minus 1. So this is equal, 2 times 4 is equal 8, x 4 minus 1 is equal 3, plus 3 times 5 is 15, x 5 minus 1 is equal 4. And this is the solution to my problem.